Can we create Telegram account with email? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the interesting query that a lot of you guys were asking. Can you create a Telegram account using just an email address? So without further ado, let's find out. So first thing, Telegram is one of the most popular messaging app out there, known for its security and features like large group chats, bots, and cloud-based storage. But here is the catch. Traditionally, accounts are tied to the phone number. So is there a way to bypass this and use an email address instead? So here is the short answer. No, you can't create a Telegram account using only an email address. Telegram account requires a phone number during a sign up process. This is used to send a verification code to ensure that the account is linked to a real number. So as you can see, I'm trying to add new account with just email, and here the first step when creating a Telegram account is entering your phone number. There isn't any option to enter your email address instead. So to wrap it up, Telegram doesn't currently allow you to create an account with just an email address. So I think that clear things up for you. So if you got more questions about the Telegram and other tech topic, let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.